Let's talk about basic course in clinical classical homeopathy at Homeomonk Institute BCCH. We guarantee to make you a confident classical homeopath in these 4 months if you do personal training with us, as guided by our mentors, with live patients' cases. Number 1. Embark on a journey into homeopathy, delving deeply into diverse case types acute, chronic, and fever. Number 2. Learn our unique formula for solving cases systematically with consistent results. Number 3. Learn various approaches for precise remedy selection. Number 4. Disease knowledge proficiency. Acquire a profound grasp of diseases. Number 5. Expert case taking skills. Master advanced techniques in case taking across various case types. Number 6. Advanced case solving techniques. Engage in practical sessions, where you'll refine symptom analysis and enhance remedy prescription abilities. Number 7. Potency expertise. How to select potencies for acute or chronic cases. Number 8. Skillful acute case management. Explore acute case management, honing skills in evaluating symptoms and prescribing remedies for swift relief. Number 9. Strategic chronic case approaches. Develop a strategic approach to chronic cases by merging patient history with constitutional analysis for holistic patient care. Number 10. Medicine knowledge profoundness. Deepen your understanding of homeopathic medicines. Number 10. Repertory expertise. Dive into advanced repertory usage, employing sophisticated techniques for precise remedy selection and the identification of key symptoms. Bonus sessions. Number 1. Advanced observation skills. Elevate your diagnostic abilities by mastering advanced observation techniques, honing your capacity to detect subtle cues that guide remedy selection. Number 2. Biochemic remedies. How and when to use. Number 3. Mother tinctures expertise. Secrets to use them. Number 4. Therapeutic prescriptions mastery. Number 5. In-depth fever case study. Extend your knowledge by delving into fever cases in greater detail, studying various fever types and their homeopathic management thoroughly. Number 6. Advanced case solving sessions. Continue your journey through advanced case solving sessions, each session refining your analytical skills and sharpening your ability to prescribe remedies effectively. Course starts on Homeomonk app from the 16th of October 2023, available in India, Pakistan, Canada, USA, Brazil, Japan, Turkey, Russia and many other countries. Download Homeomonk app now to get early bird discount.